Hello everyone, I am your English teacher Richa Sharma from California Public School. I hope you all are fit and fine at your place. So, today we are going to start with the topic chapter 12, The Girl Who Hated Books. Hated means disliked, the person who doesn't like books. Okay, by Manjusha Pavagi. So I want you to have a pencil and your book so that you can note down the meanings of the difficult word and note down the important lines that we are going to read during the lecture. So here, first of all, we are going to discuss about characters. Who are the characters in this chapter who are going to play important role? So characters, what are character? First of all, person in a novel, story, play or film. The person who are playing roles in a novel, story, play or film. जो person कोई role play करते हैं, whether it is a story, novel, play or film. So in this chapter there are 3 to 4 main character. First one is Meena, her parents and her cat Max. Okay, so Meena, her parents and cat whose name was Max. So in this story what we are going to read that there was a girl whose name was Meena, and she hated books. She hated to read books. But what was on the opposite, that her parents kept on bringing books for her to read, and that's why her house was full of books, in whichever way she went, whichever way she visited, there she used to found books only. Okay, so we are going to read the story in detail. Let's start with the story. The Girl Who Hated Books by Manjusha Pavagi. Here is a story about a girl who hated books until one day when something something very strange happened. Once there was a girl named Meena. Okay, she disliked, she doesn't like to read books, and she doesn't like to read, and she hated books also. They are always in the way, she said, and she used to say that they are always in a way, means jahan pe bhi wo jati thi, she used to found books only. Okay, this was true, and but the thing she was telling us, that was true also. Because in her house books were everywhere. Okay, not just on the bookshelves and besides the table, not only but the books were only on the bookshelves and on the tables where books usually are, जहाँ पे हम expect करते हैं कि books होंगी, but in all type of places, in all kind of places where books usually aren't. ठीक है, but the books were on the places where we usually do not keep them. ओके, जहाँ पे हम बुक्स रखते भी नहीं है वहां पे भी उसको बुक्स मिलती थी. ओके, देयर वर बुक्स इन ड्रेसर्स. ड्रेसर्स meaning is given here, a piece of wooden furniture with shelves on top and cupboards below. So there were books in dressers and drawers and desks, in closets. Closets means beta a small room for storing things. uh, and cupboards and chest means beta a large box for storing things. Means wherever they can store, beta wherever they can store, there are books. Okay, so there were books on the sofas, the books on the stairs, books crammed, books fitted tightly in the fireplace and stacked on the chairs. Stacked means beta they were piled up. Okay, they were piled up on the chairs also. ठीक है, तो जहाँ पे भी बेटा they find the place, they used to keep the books, they used to pile up the books there. Okay, so that's why she, first of all beta, she doesn't like to read, she didn't like to read. And second thing, her parents kept on bringing them more. ठीक है, और वो और भी ज़्यादा लेके आते रहते थे उसके लिए. So that thing was, irritating her, that thing was annoying her, that I, didn't like to read books, and still parents are keep on bringing them. Okay, so that's why she feels more annoyed, that's why she feels more irritated. Next, worse still, her parents were always bringing home more books. और उससे भी ज़्यादा बेटा बुरी बात क्या थी? Worse means बेटा become more bad or become really worse. ठीक है, और भी क्या बुरा था? That her parents were always bringing, always टेकिंग होम मोर बुक्स. ठीक है, और उसके पेरेंट्स जो थे वो और भी बुक्स कैरी करके लेके आते रहते थे घर पे, और भी बुक्स लेके आते थे. दे रीड एट ब्रेकफास्ट, बट एज यू कैन सी हियर ऑन द टेबल ऑल्सो दैट दे आर रीडिंग, दे आर ट्राइंग टू रीड हर बुक्स. ठीक है, दे रीड एट ब्रेकफास्ट एंड लंच एंड डिनर. ठीक है, प्लीज रीड दे वुड से टू मीना, और वो मीना को बोलते रहते थे दैट प्लीज रीड. बट शी वुड स्टैम्प हर फुट एंड शाउट, बट शी यूजली बेटा used to put her foot down heavily on the floor. वो बहुत ज़ोर से अपना फुट स्टैम्प करती थी फ्लोर पे, एंड शाउट एंड used to cry, I hate books. ठीक है, और वो हमेशा यही बोलती थी दैट आई डू नॉट लाइक टू रीड बुक्स, आई हेट बुक्स. एंड वेन दे ट्राई टू रीड अलाउड, और जब वो खुद रीड नहीं करती थी बेटा, हर पेरेंट्स यूज टू रीड फॉर हर. एंड जब उसके पेरेंट्स रीड करते थे, एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर ऑल्सो बेटा, शी यूज टू कवर हर ears with her hands. Okay, when they tried to read aloud to her, she would put her hands over her ears and shout even louder, I hate books. And वो और भी ज़्यादा loudly बोलती थी that I hate books. Next beta, now we are going to read about Mina's cat, whose name was Max. ठीक है, Mina's cat Max hated books too, disliked books too. When he was a little kitten, okay, when he was younger, a thick atlas, thick, you can say beta, a very book with more pages. Okay, a thick atlas means beta a collection of maps in a book form. Okay, so a thick atlas had fallen on his tail. एक बुक जो थी बेटा उसके टेल पे गिर गई थी. Ever since then, and from that time on beta, he tried to stay on the top of the books. And from that time on beta, Max tried to stay on top of the books rather under them. ठीक है, वो ज़्यादातर बेटा बुक्स के ऊपर बैठने की कोशिश करता था rather than below them, rather than sitting down under them. One morning Meena called Max for breakfast, but Max didn't come. And one morning what happened, Meena was calling Max for breakfast, but Max didn't come. Where could he be? She wondered, she thought, and Meena was thinking beta, where could he be? वो कहाँ पे हो सकता है? And she looked, and she started looking at the different places. Okay, she looked in the she looked in the bathtub, under the stairs, on the top of the cloak, but she didn't find Max. But उसको Max नहीं मिला. Suddenly she heard a loud meow. Okay, the sound beta which is produced by Max. ठीक है, the cat. So suddenly she heard a loud meow. She ran into the dining room, and there he was, stuck on the top of the tallest stack on the books in the house. ठीक है, and beta, when then she followed the sound and she ran into the dining room, and there was Max. और वहाँ पे Max था, and he was stuck on the top of the tallest stack. एंड बेटा वो जो सबसे बड़ी स्टैक बनी हुई थी ना बुक्स की, एज यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर बेटा. ठीक है, जो सबसे बड़ी स्टैक बनी हुई थी बुक्स की, उसके ऊपर बेटा वो स्टक हो गया था. नाउ मैक्स वॉज नॉट एबल टू मूव. अगर बेटा वो मूव भी होगा देन ही वॉज अफ्रेड ऑफ फॉलिंग. तो ही वॉज स्टक, ही वॉज अनेबल टू मूव ऑन टॉप ऑफ द टॉलेस्ट स्टैक ऑफ द बुक्स इन द हाउस. ठीक है, जो उनके हाउस में सबसे बड़ी स्टैक थी बुक्स की, उसके ऊपर बेटा वो स्टक हो गया था. इट वॉज मेड अप ऑफ ऑल द बुक्स हर पेरेंट्स केप्ट. और जो वो स्टैक थी वो किससे बनी हुई थी बेटा, कौन से बुक्स से बनी हुई थी? इट वॉज मेड अप ऑफ ऑल बुक्स हर पेरेंट्स केप्ट बाइंग हर. वो उन बुक्स से बनी हुई थी बेटा विच हर पेरेंट्स केप्ट ऑन बाइंग हर एंड शी केप्ट रिफ्यूजिंग, शी केप्ट डिनाइंग, शी केप्ट रिजेक्टिंग टू रीड. और उसके पेरेंट्स बेटा केप्ट ऑन ब्रिंगिंग द बुक्स एंड मीना केप्ट ऑन रिफ्यूजिंग दैम, एंड दैट्स वाई there was a huge stack of books. ठीक है, at the bottom बेटा, bottom at the end. ठीक है, okay, at the bottom now बेटा there is a description of this stack की सबसे नीचे कौन सी बुक्स थी, then middle and then on the top. ठीक है, at the bottom बेटा, at the bottom were big shiny picture books from when she was a baby. Okay, at the bottom beta, at the very starting from the bottom there were big shiny picture books. वहां पे shiny picture books थी from when she was a baby. In the middle beta there were alphabet books and nursery rhymes. ठीक है, वहां पे वो जो books थी वो alphabet books थी और nursery rhymes books थी. At the top right by the ceiling, right by the roof means वो इतनी ज्यादा बड़ी stack है बेटा that it was reaching till ceiling. So right by ceiling were fairy tales. बेटा वहाँ पे fairy tales थी और adventure stories. Adventure story you can say बेटा thrilling story or exciting stories. Okay, when they were all covered in dust, and all these books बेटा are full of dust or covered with dust. Okay, don't worry Max, Meena called out to him. And बेटा Meena was telling to Max that don't take tension, do not worry about it, I'll rescue you, I'll save you. ठीक है, she stood on a stool as you can see in the picture also beta. She stood on a stool, stretched forward, and beta she put her arm forward to catch Max so that she can catch Max safely. And she stretched forward. Beta stretched का meaning भी वही है, to put an arm in order to reach something. Her foot slipped. Her foot moved sideways. She lost her balance and started to slide. And beta by chance her foot slipped and she lost her balance. And after that beta books started to slide. Books started to fall down. ठीक है, और बुक्स जो हैं वो नीचे गिरना शुरू हो जाती हैं. Okay. So today we will read the chapter till here only. I hope I have cleared your doubts, and I hope I have cleared all the meanings that we have read during this chapter. Okay, and tomorrow beta we are going to finish half of the chapter. Till now we are going to read the chapter till here only. Okay, so this is all from my side. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.